Hey everyone, I am Munib Khan, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon. If your Shopify store is getting traffic but not making sales, let's fix that. Today, I'll share 5 common mistakes that are silently killing your Shopify performance and exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1: weak branding. Most sellers focus only on the product, not how it's perceived. In 2025, branding is the new marketing. Your logo, color palette, and tone need to be trusted instantly. If your store doesn't look like a brand, people won't buy it. So on. Mistake number 2: slow or overload store design. A slow website is equals to lost sales. Every extra second of load time hurts your conversions. Keep your design clean, fast, and mobile friendly. Simple always sells better. Mistake number 3: no social proof. Visitors don't trust what they can't see. Ad reviews, testimonials, and even short user videos. Real people build trust, and trust builds sales. Mistake number 4: product poor product descriptions. Copy pasted descriptions don't sell. Write with emotion, focus on the benefit, not just the feature. Make the buyer imagine how your product fits into their life. Mistake number 5: no follow up system. Most people won't buy the first time they visit. Use email flows, retargeting ads, or WhatsApp automation to bring them back. Consistent follow up turns visitor into loyal customers. Fix these 5 areas: branding, speed, trust, copy, and follow up, and you will see your Shopify store transform from surviving to scaling. At Growth Beyond Horizon, we help brands do exactly that: optimize, automate, and grow. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe for more Shopify and e commerce insights because growth isn't luck, it's a strategy.